your dish is only gonna be as good as what you start with. If you start with substandard product, at your best, you're only gonna have a substandard meal. Starting with a good product really makes it easy to end with a good product. I'm Jason Stern, the executive chef of Coletta in Alpharetta. I started off in the pizza business. My first time making a pizza, I was 6 years old in my grandfather's kitchen. So I've been making food forever. I believe in balance, so I believe like when I execute a dish or pastas especially, everything's executed the way that I was taught it's supposed to be. So I don't believe in cutting corners, and I believe that translates to the dishes. Consistency breeds credibility, so by being consistent, that's when you really earn your chops. That's when you're showing everybody that this is what you're about, because you're always doing it at that level. So like the Michelin stars and those kind of restaurants of the world, it's about we do the same thing every time, no matter what. And that's what we all strive for.